Hey, it's Neil from Investing Simple. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer from Coinbase to Webull step by step. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to transfer from Coinbase to Webull. Unfortunately, there is not a way to perform this transfer directly. Instead, you will need to sell your cryptos in Coinbase and repurchase them in Webull. Keep in mind that when you do this, you may incur capital gains tax should you sell your cryptos for a gain. You should also check that the crypto you want to move to Webull is supported by the platform. Coinbase actually supports a number of cryptos that Webull does not, so before you begin, do a quick check that the coin is available in the Webull platform. Okay, let's dive in. This is how to transfer from Coinbase to Webull. The first step is to open a Webull account. If you already have a Webull account, then you can skip forward. Opening a new Webull account is quick and easy. You can complete the entire process in the app. To sign up for an account, you'll just need to make sure you are eligible. If so, you can download the app and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to submit your personal information such as name, email, phone, address, and social security number. You'll also need to verify your account with email verification. Once you have a Webull account up and running, you are ready to move funds into your account. To do so, you will sell your crypto assets in Coinbase by following the steps above. Be aware that you will incur transaction fees when selling. Additionally, if you sell your crypto for a gain, then you will also be liable for capital gains taxes. After selling your crypto assets, you will send those funds to your bank account. You can follow the steps on screen to complete this part of the process. With your crypto assets sold and funds sent to your bank, you are ready to move those funds into your Webull account. You will need to link a bank account and then deposit the funds. After finishing the deposit, you can repurchase the cryptos you would like. To deposit funds into Webull, you can follow the steps on screen. After finishing your deposit, buying your new crypto is as easy as searching for the desired crypto within the Markets tab in the bottom navigation menu of the app. From there, you will simply tap on Trade and follow the prompts to execute your purchase. That brings us to the end of the process. Be sure to get your free stocks by using the link on screen.